How to get dark mode on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually get dark mode on YouTube, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get dark mode on YouTube, all you have to do is just open the YouTube application. Once you launch the YouTube app, you will see that I'm currently on light mode, and as you can see over here. So if you want to enable the dark mode on a YouTube application, it's very simple. Just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, here you'll find the option called settings, so just tap on settings. Then once you tap on settings, here you'll find the option called general. Just tap on general, and then once you tap on general, you'll find the option called appearance. Just tap on the appearance tab, and then here you have three options to use device theme. Device theme means that whatever theme that your device is in, the YouTube app is going to follow accordingly. And the other is light theme and the dark theme. To get the dark theme, you can just select dark theme, and then you can see instantly we've been switched to dark mode on YouTube. This is simply how you can get dark mode on YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.